Hello everyone, I'm audible to all of you. Tell me fast. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is your mentor Mayank today. And as you all know, this is our regular session on every Tuesday for RBI Grade B 2023. Okay, and we are just covering what? We are covering the important quant section in this, right? This regular session. So tell me fast. Am I audible to all of you clearly? Video, audio, both are clear. Do let me know fast. Okay, just wait. So audio is perfect. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay, so let's start the session. Okay, before starting the session, I would request you all to share it with others, right? And you can find the link of our Telegram group and channel in the description box. So do join that because there you will get the all sessions PDF after the session and daily top 10. Okay, wait one. Okay. So now there you are going to get what in Telegram group, Telegram channel link you can see in the description box, right? You can find that in this description box. There you are going to get daily top 10 MCQs, right? What top 10 MCQs, okay? Daily current affair update, current affair PDF, PIV current affair updates, all those things, right? Important, uh, right? Section PDFs, questions, updates about your RBI Grade B 2023. Okay, we are targeting that. So there, right? This group, this Telegram channel is going to help you a lot in your better preparation, so that's why I'm requesting you all to join that. You can find the link in the description box. Daily, right? Mind maps. We are going to see what mind map, top 10 MCQs, okay, current affair updates, all sessions PDF, and many more things. So do join that for your better preparation. Okay. So we pledge for your success and commitment, consistency, celebrate. So these are the series offerings: live video batches, comprehensive coverage of syllabus, doubt clearing by experts, preparation guidance, exam center study. So do let me know if everything is clear to all of you. Tell me fast. Everything is clear? Okay. So before starting the session, I would request you to mark your attendance by liking the session. Okay, like the session. And if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe it for the latest update and all notifications. So this is your quant section class, and first we will solve the homework of previous session, right? Our previous session on last Tuesday, whatever we have discussed. So some of the question I have given you as the homework assignment. So let's check it out. So this was the first question. Find the wrong numbers in this series. This was right. This was the question which I gave you as the homework. So 1, 2, 6. So how many of you completed that? Tell me fast. Be active in the comment box, chat box. Okay. 1, 2, 6, 33, 49, 174, 212. Okay. Now here you can see what? Okay. You have to find out the wrong number in this series. So what is the logic? What is the pattern? So just see, this is completely in increasing order. See the difference of first number, that is plus 1. Then 2 to 6 is plus 4. Then 6 to 33 is plus 27. Then 33 to 49 is plus 16. Then 49 to 174 is plus 125. Then 174 to 212 is how much? That is 38. Okay, that is 38. So if we will look out, can we see any pattern? So 1, 4, 27, 16, 125. So if we will see on alternate basis, so 1 cube, right? Then 2 cube plus 1 cube, sorry, then plus 2 square, then plus 3 cube, because 27 is 3 cube, then 16 plus 16 means 4 square, then plus 5 cube, then plus 6 square must come, means last difference is wrong, and after adding what 174 plus 38 you are getting this 212. So this is the wrong number in this series. Actually the pattern is what? Cube of 1, then in next step what you are doing, you are adding the square of 2, then cube of 3, then square of 4, then cube of 5, then square of 6 must come, means 36 must be there. So when you will add 174 plus 36, you will get 210. So your wrong number in the series is 212, and here some mistake in the options. Okay, I think okay, there were some more questions, so I didn't change the option of those. So you can see here 1, 2. I am giving you options 33, then this is 49, and this is 212. Your option E is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next. Now this was also the homework. This was also the homework of previous session. A packaging machine X can pack 2 lakh packets in 10 hours. Make packaging machine Y can pack the same number of packets in 15 hours. While wait, while packaging machine Z can pack them in 12 hours. Are you getting my point? So this is what given about the, this is the capacity of machine. Okay, one machine is completing these 2 lakh packets in 10 hours, another machine is completing in 15 hours, and one more machine is given that is completing the task in 12 hours. All the packaging machine are started at 12 a.m. Okay, while packaging machine Y is closed at 2 a.m. So all machines, so X plus Y plus Z, all are started at 12 a.m. Remember this. Then after this, what else is given? While packaging machine Z can pack them in 12 hours. Okay, no, not this one. Then Y is closed at 2 a.m. So at 2 a.m. Y is closed. Y is closed. So here what will be there? X and Z. Okay, X plus Z can be there then. And remaining 2 packaging machines complete the work. Okay, remaining 2 packaging machine means X and Z complete the work. Approximately at what time the work will be finished? So this is the very basic question. You should not get confused by this total work, whatever it is given. We will use the same method. X, Y and Z are doing some task. X is completing that task in 10 hours. Y is completing that task which is 2 lakh packets in how many hours? Okay, so that is in 15 hours, and Z is completing in 12 hours. Just need to remember that. Just take the LCM, so that will be equivalent to your total work. So 10, 15 and 12 time ratio, time LCM is going to be your total work, which will be equivalent to what? This 2 lakh packets. Okay, we are just saying this LCM is what, that 100% which is representing this task actually. Okay, so just follow the basics. So how much? 60 is going to be LCM. Okay, 60 total. Total what? 60 is the total work, total unit. Okay, now efficiency. In 10 hours, 60 units of work is completed. So in 1 hour, 6 unit of work. In 15 hours, 60. So in 1 hour, 4. In 12 hours, 60. So in 1 hour, how much? So that is going to be 5. Okay, so per hour capacity of work is known as what? That is the efficiency. And this is the homework which I have, right, I had given you in the previous session. So now just took what? 6 plus 4 plus 5. First of all, what is given? They all are working, and they worked for what? Together for 2 hours, because from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. So for 2 hours they work. So in 1 hour, how much work they can finish? 6 plus 4 plus 5. So this is going to be 15 per hour. Multiply 2. So you can say task is completed in 2 parts. Okay, in 2 parts. First part is the okay. First part belongs to what? First part is going to be for X, Y and Z, and second part belongs to what? X and Z, because Y left the work, as you all know. Is this clear to all of you? Now just see 6 plus 4 plus 5 means 15. Okay, this is the efficiency of these three machines together. 15 unit of work per hour. Okay, or 15 machine per hour. You can say this 60 machine is the work. This is equivalent to this 2 lakh packets. It doesn't matter. They have given just us the work, but we will follow the basics for calculating the total work, which we used to do. Okay. Now see, you will get the same answer. Okay, you are going to get the correct answer. So just stick to the basics. Or now see, in 2 hours, how much work will be finished then? 30. Okay, 30 of the total work will be finished. 30 of total work means 50% work is finished. Now 30 right, 30 parts, 30 units are remaining to be completed, and it will be finished by X and Z together. So X and Z, 6 plus 5, right? 6 plus 5, X, their efficiencies are what? X efficiency is 6 unit per hour, and Y's efficiencies, Z efficiency is 5 unit per hour. So what we can say, 6 plus 5 means 11 unit per hour they will finish, and they have to finish how much? 30 units. So 30 by 11, so you can calculate in this way. Okay, 30 by 11, so how much time it will be taken by them? 2 is to 8 by 11 hours. Clear? This is the okay, time they will take after what? After when Y left. Okay, clear? So 2 hours 8 by 8 by 11 hours, like that you can say. Just convert it into minute also. 8 by 11 hours. Okay, 2 hours you can say. Okay, fine, that's fine. Plus 8 by 11 multiply 60. Okay, it is going to be, because you are converting this into minute. So 60 multiply 80 means 480. 480 by 11. So by 11 you can cancel this 4 times, right? Then 40 will come, then 3 times. Okay, so after this the point will come, then 6 times. So 43.6 minutes. Is this anything like that given? Because it will take how much? 2 hours 43.6 minutes means exactly what we can say, after 2 a.m. more 2 hours 43 minutes more, so it is going to be 4:43. Okay, at what? 4:43 a.m. Okay, so this is not given in the option. Is there anything like that? No. So none of these will be the answer of this question. I hope it is completely clear to all of you how the question is done, how we have to process this, and how we have solved this. Now let's move on to the next question, and today we are going to discuss the one of the most important question from previous year, which is based on data interpretation and Caslate DI we are going to solve today. Okay, Caslate DI based question of previous year that we're gonna discuss today. Okay, so here, study the following information carefully and answer the questions given beside. Information given below is the investment, okay, of three venture capitalists in a partnership for period of 2016 to 2020. So whenever you are solving the Caslate DI, it will be in what? It will be in theoretical manner. There will be many statements. So first of all, you just need to note down the data or simplify the data in chart form or most simplified form. You have to take out each and every data in most simplified way. After capturing all the data, just move on to the questions accordingly. So I hope you understood the approach. So let's follow what is given in the question. Study the following information carefully and answer the question. The information given below is the investment of three venture capitalists in a partnership for period of 2016 to 2020. So there are three investors, you can say three venture capitalists are there in a partnership from 2016 to 2020. The investment made by an individual are for the same period. Okay, the investment made by an individual are for the same period, so their time period is same here, right? Whatever investment they will make, right, they will make for same period. This is given in the first statement. Now second, the investment of Banshi in 2016 is rupees 40,000 and is equal to the investment of Harshit in 2018. So first of all, we have to mark up what? The years. So different years are there, 2016, 2017, because the data is like that, 2016, 2018, different year. They are not saying from 2016 to 2020 investment directly given. For each year they are talking about. So first I will read the whole data for you so you will better understand. Is equal to the investment of Harshit in 2018. The total investment in 2019 is rupees 24,000, and the ratio of investment of Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. These are the investors. Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. A for Arjun, B for Banshi and H for Harshit. Now just see what is given. The ratio of their investment in that particular year is 8 ratio 9 ratio 17 in year 2019. The investment of Arjun in 2016, 17, 18 are 32,000, 48,000, 44,000 respectively. The investment of Harshit in 2016 and 17 are same, that is rupees 22,000. The investment of Banshi in 2018 is rupees 6,000 more than the investment by him in 2017, that is rupees 30,000. Is this clear? So this is what given. So by this all data, one thing we need to understand that for each year their investment is different. Okay. So 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020, because they have said us what they told us from 2016 to 2020. That is the duration. Okay. See. So 2016, whatever they have given, the investment of Banshi in 2016 is 40,000. So about Banshi, the data is given, that is 40,000. Okay. So I'm just getting the data here, just putting the data here, and this is very very important for you all to understand, because this is the DI from your previous year, as I said, the latest pattern based, and here how you have to approach the question. Okay, how you have to solve. So just see here what is the okay, wait, first I'm just changing the color so you will understand better when I will highlight something. So the investment of Banshi in 2016 is 40,000. Just remember this. Is equal to the investment of Harshit in 2018. So Harshit will invest the same 40,000 in 2018. So we can say that in 40,000 in year 2018. So you can see, right, we have made what, year wise comparison, year wise investment. This is what we are talking about, the investment of these three, uh Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. Okay, fine. So is this clear whatever we have discussed? Be active in the chat box, right? The total investment in 2019 is rupees 24,000. The ratio of investment of Arjun, Banshi. So now they are talking about what, the total investment in 2019 of Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. That is how much? That is 24,000. Right? If we will read out this statement, see here, I am highlighting this one. The total investment in 2019 is 24,000, and the ratio of investment of Arjun, Banshi and Harshit is 8 ratio 9 ratio 7. So this is in which ratio? A ratio B ratio H is 8 ratio 9 ratio 10 7. Okay, so now what we can say, 8x is the investment of Arjun, 9x is the investment of Banshi and 7x is the investment of Harshit in year 2019. We are talking about this year. So 8x plus 9x plus 7x, how many total parts? So this is going to be 24x. 24x equal to 24,000, so x will be equal to 1,000. So if x is 1,000, then the investment of Arjun in 2019 is 8x. 8 multiplied 1,000 means 8,000. Similarly for Banshi, 9,000. 9 multiplied 1,000, 9,000. For Harshit, 7 into 1,000 means 7,000. That we can fill out here. Okay. For Arjun, it is 8,000. For Banshi, it is 9,000. And for Harshit, it is 7,000. Clear? Now see, after reading this data, we are just capturing, and in this way you have to solve. Whenever you see what cassette based DI, you cannot start the question, okay, this is the DI given, first I will read the question and according to the question I will try to solve it. No, first of all you have to simplify the data given in the statement based in cassette DI. You just have to simplify that data, you have to understand what is given, then after that only you will move on to the question. Okay, after generalizing, after simplifying the given data. Okay, now after this, the investment of Arjun in 2016, 17 and 18. Okay, so about Arjun is given in consecutive, 3 consecutive years, 2016, 17 and 18, 32,000, 48,000, 44,000. Okay, so for Arjun, 32,000, and then 48,000 in 2017 and 44,000 in 2018. Okay, this is what we are capturing through the given data. Now the investment of Harshit in 2016 and 2017 are same, rupees 22,000. So investment of Harshit in 2 consecutive years. Okay, so Harshit 2016 and 17, that is 22,000 for the both years. This is what given. The investment of Banshi in 2018. So now they are talking about what Banshi's investment in 2018, that is 6,000. Is this clear? More than the investment by him in 2017, that is 30,000. More than 6,000, more than. So he invested 6,000 more in 2018 than 2017. Sorry, in 2018, Banshi invested 6,000 more than the previous year investment, that was 30,000. So it is directly given that he invested 30,000 in 17 and 6,000 more than in 2018. So now we are having the whole data. They have not given about 2020. They have given about these all right things. Good evening, Ashish. So is this clear? Whatever we have discussed, how we have captured the data, and this is from previous year, right? As I said, so you have to just need to be confirmed, right? You need to be unsure about how you are going to capture the data, how you are going to read the data, okay? Because you are not having much time there. So in this way, first of all, you have to capture the data. Now we are having the whole data. We have just summarized the whole data in this short form, right, in this table. So now we can switch on to the first question based on this table. So question 1, find the share of profit earned by Banshi in the year 2018. So the share of profit we have to find out by Banshi. If the total profit is in rupees, if the total profit in 2018 is 15,000. So tell me, what is profit? So for that you must need to know about the partnership chapter, right? That concept. So here, investment, time, and partnership. Profit. So investment, whatever the investment is, investment multiplied time will give you the profit. Your profit is depends on the product of investment and time. You have invested something, but how long you invested, or what period you have invested, right? For what period? So that does matter. So that product will give you the profit. So here the time is same, okay, for all the investors. So when time is constant, no need to take the time, just investment ratio will represent the profit ratio in that case. Okay, so here you know they are talking about 2018. So in 2018, okay, in 2018, Arjun, Banshi and Harshit, okay, investment ratio will be their profit ratio because time is constant. They have invested for same period, right? So 44, 36 and 40. 44,000, 36,000 and 40,000. 0 cancel, right? You can cancel like this. 36,000, sorry, 3. Now by 4 you can cancel, right? Because all the numbers can be cancelled by 4 easily. Just simplify it as much as you can. So 4 11s are 44, then 4 9s are 36, then 4 10s are 40. So this is the investment or profit, both ratio you can see in year 2018. If the total profit is 2018, so you know the profit ratio, that is 11 9 10. So 11x is the profit of A, 9x is the profit of B, and 10x is the profit of H. Is this clear? Means Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. Okay, so now total profit will be what? A plus B plus H. For profit we are talking about, it is equal to 15,000. Clear? This is what given here. Now Arjun's profit is 11x plus 9x plus 10x equal to 15,000. Now this is going to be 30x. 30x equal to 15,000. Now 0 to 0 cancel, by 3 you can cancel this. 1500 500 times, sorry. So x is equal to 500. When x is equal to 500, whose profit you have to calculate here? Banshi's profit. So Banshi's profit is 9x. How much? 9x, and x is 500. So 9 multiply 500, 4,500. So your answer is going to be option 4. Is this clear to all of you? How we have calculated? If they have asked you, okay, what is the ratio, what is the profit of Arjun, then 11x, 11 into 500 means 5500. If they have asked you the investment of profit of Harshit, so 10 into 5 means 10 multiply 500 means 5000. So if we will talk about the profit, so Arjun's profit is 5500, Banshi's profit is 4500, while Harshit's profit is 5000. And I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next one. Now next question based on the same DI, as we have captured all the data in the previous slide. So I hope you understood it in a better way. Now just see question, next question based on the same data, okay, same information is what? Suppose all the VCs, okay, invested for few months more. So all the investors, right, venture capitalist, this VC is indicating that, okay, capitalists, okay. So VCs invested for few months more, okay, so they invested for few more months. The total investment of Arjun and Banshi is rupees 56,000. So now we are not talking about the previous thing, they have said something else, okay. After that, whatever the investment they have done for those 5 years, 4 years, but after that they have extended their investment, and for what time of period, okay, that is not given, but few more months, as they mentioned like this, okay. So Arjun plus Banshi's investment is given, clear, and that investment is this clear to all of you? I'm just asking you, okay, and checking your comments. If is there any issue, then do let me know. Whatever I have explained, is this clear? Okay. Now see, investment of A plus B. So suppose all the VCs invested for few months more, and the total investment of Arjun and Banshi is 5,000, 56,000. So this is what given. Now invest and they invested their amounts for, so their time also given. A invested for, you can see here, for 24 months and 16 months respectively. Find for how many months Harshit invested his amount of rupees 64,000. So Harshit's investment also given, that is how much? That is 64,000 separately, right? Alone. Harshit is investing 64,000 rupees alone. Just remember that. And this is Arjun's and Banshi's investment together. That is together. And I hope everything is clear, whatever we discussed. Now see after that. Find for how many months Harshit invested his amount of rupees 64,000. So this is what we know. And one more thing is given. Invested their amount. What? Arjun and Banshi invested their amount for 24 months and 16 months. So Arjun for 24 months and Banshi for 16 months. Okay. Here the time is different, as you can see. Right. So the profit ratio is not going to equal to investment ratio. Remember this. Now, what are they asking? For how many months Harshit invested them? This is about the time. So Harshit's time. One more thing is given in the bracket. Given profits of Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. So their profits are given. Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. Profit is given, and that is how much? You can see here 12,600, 11,200, 16,800 respectively. So 12,600 for Arjun, 11,200 for Banshi, and 16,800 for Harshit. Sorry. Clear what I have discussed? Now just see, what we need to calculate is for how much time Harshit has invested. So this profit we know, right? Directly we know. So just calculate the profit ratio first. Just simplify this ratio. Okay, these are the profit. So just take the profit ratio after simplification. What will be the profit ratio? By 14, 9 times cancel, 126 by 14, 112, 8 times cancel, and 168 cancels 12 times. So 9 ratio 8 ratio 12 is the profit ratio of Arjun, Banshi and Harshit for the given data in this particular question. Are you getting my point now? What I'm telling you? Clear? Now, after discussing this, This profit, how you will get this profit ratio? This profit ratio can be get by what? Time, investment multiplied time. Remember this, investment multiplied time. So you can say that investment of A we don't know, investment of B we don't know. A, B means what? Arjun and Banshi's investment. Separate investment we don't know. Together they have invested 56,000. So you can say that, okay, this Arjun invested IA amount, while Banshi invested IB amount. And Harshit we know that is 64,000. So IA, but time period we know, yes, that we know, that is going to be how much? So time ratio, first of all, just put the time ratio of Harshit, Banshi, sorry, Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. So about Harshit we don't know, but Arjun to Banshi time ratio we can get, and that is how much? So if you will go through that, so 24 ratio 16. So you can cancel this, okay? You can just cancel this by 8, so 3 is to 2 actually. Okay, this is the time ratio here. 3 ratio 2 for Arjun and Banshi, what I can say. So when we will take even the profit ratio separately for Arjun and Banshi, so that is going to be how much? That is going to be how much? See, investment, time and profit. So investment of Arjun IA, investment of Banshi IB, and the time taken by them is 24 ratio 16, means 3 is to 2. But their profit ratio is how much? As you can see, 9 ratio 8 directly. 9 ratio 8. Are you getting my point? Everyone. This is very, very important, DI, as I said, as I told you, all of you. So need to understand, right? This is based on what? This is from year 2022 paper. Okay. So see here. Now this profit ratio is equal to what? Investment multiply time or not? Tell me. So here the investment is IA multiply 3 equal to this 9. This 9 you will get through the multiplication of these two or not. So you will say yes. So you can just compare like this. Okay. This will get you the value actually. So IA multiply 3 equal to 9, like that you can say. The investment of A multiply the time of A, right, from the ratio I am taking, equals to the simplified profit value of A. So IA value is going to be what? 9 by 3 means 3. So in this ratio A to B, the value of IA is 3. Remember. Now similarly here, IB, investment of B multiply the time duration of B, is equal to profit. So IB multiplied 2 equal to 8. So IB equal to what? 4. So just put this 4 in the ratio. I'm just making it what? In form of what? Ratio. We are just converting it into form of what? Ratio. Okay, we are not getting any data in terms of rupees. We are just comparing in the form of ratio. So now we know the investment of Arjun to Banshi ratio, right? That we know now. So if we know that, then we can easily calculate the investment of Arjun and Banshi or not. Yes, because their investment ratio is going to be what? 3 ratio 4 then. Means 3x by Arjun, 4x by Banshi. Remember this. So 3x plus 4x directly equal to what? 56,000. That is the total investment by Arjun and Banshi. So 7x equal to 56,000. So x will be equal to then what? X will be equal to 8,000. When x is 8,000, then 3x means the investment of investment of Arjun is going to be what? That is going to be 3x. So 3 into 8,000 means 24,000. Now investment of Banshi is going to be how much? 8,000 multiply 4 means 32,000. Clear? So investment, now we know how much invested by A, how much invested by B. So that we know actually. Okay. So now if we will talk about profit, if we will talk about their ratio, so we can easily compare the value or not. So you will say yes, it can be compared easily, right? I'm just asking you if everything is clear, then I have to erase some data for okay, more explanation. So I'm just removing this. Okay, this one I'm taking out. Just wait. So any doubts so far, whatever we have discussed? Now see, we are having the complete data here, complete picture here. If I will talk about Anuj, Arjun, Banshi and Harshit, so investment, time and profit. Just put like this. So investment, now you know each investment 24,000 by Arjun and 32,000 by Banshi and 64,000 by Harshit. Just take their investment ratio. Just simplify it first. So by 8 you can cancel these all. 3 ratio 4 ratio 8. This is going to be what their investment ratio. Now time, right? Time, you know, time taken by A in terms of ratio is what? 3. Okay, 3. After simplification you can say 3, 2, or you can say here 24 months, 16 months, clear. And here you can say what? Sorry, just wait. 24 months, 16 months, and here you can say question mark. That you need to calculate actually. Now profit ratio is what? Profit ratio of all these that we have calculated earlier, right? That was okay, that was 9 ratio 8, and what was the value here? See, 12,600, 11,200, 16,800 that we have calculated, right? So 12. So now just simplify it by 8. You can easily cancel this, right? So 3 is to 2 actually. So 3 threes are 9, 4 twos are 8 you are getting. So what you have to multiply, I am telling you in shortcut, then I will tell you by the basic method also the solution. So 8 multiply what you will do, so you will get 12 here. So you will say 1.5, okay, for this ratio. So 8 multiply 1.5 will give you what? 12. So in this ratio, 3 ratio 2 ratio 1.5. From here you can understand A, B and H time ratio it is. So this 3 indicates actually 24 months. And this B, right, this 2 indicates 16 months of B. So 3 multiply 8, 24 months. 2 multiply 8, 16 months. So 1.5 multiply 8, 12 months. So here you can see 12 months means option third, Harshit invested for 12 months will be your answer. I explained you in a better way, otherwise I can solve it directly also, but you need to know how to process these questions. It is completely based on partnership, so I hope it is completely clear now. Okay, now what else you can use to calculate? Is there any other procedure to calculate? Yes, you can calculate easily by other procedure also. What? Just compare any, right, A to H or B to H ratio. Okay, I multiply T equal to profit, right? So investment multiply time ratio with profit, right? This you can compare, means the profit of any two, Arjun's to Harshit or Banshi to Harshit. So we are just taking Banshi to Harshit. So this is going to be what? Banshi's profit is how much? That is 8 in terms of what ratio? So 8 ratio 12. We are talking about their profits. And profit is equivalent to what? Investment into time. So investment of Banshi is 32,000. Multiply the time of Banshi, that is 16 months. Remember that. By what? The investment of Harshit, that is 64,000. Time we don't know. That we need to calculate actually. So 0, 0, 0 cancel here. By 32 you can cancel 64 two times. Okay. And by 8 you can cancel the 16 two times. Now by 2 to 2 cancel. Now you can transfer this 12 this side, and this question mark is what? The time. Okay, T. So time is equal to 12 here, means 12 months. So by this comparison also we got. So one I told you, you can just compare ratios there. Directly you can calculate. There is no unnecessary calculation. And this is the basic way which I told you. Now let's move on to the next question based on this DI. Okay. And the following information is in which form? Caslate form, as I said. So now the next question is, if the share of profit of Harshit in 2016 and 17 is rupees 7700 and 8800 respectively. So share of profit of Harshit. in 2 years given. Okay, find the ratio of profit of Arjun in 2016 and 17. So as we know that Arjun, Banshi and Harshit, in 2 years they are talking about 2016 and 2017. So their investment ratio we know. So that is equal to actually profit ratio also, because their time duration is same. Here what is given, they write the investment made by an individual are for the same period. So their investment is for same duration. So investment ratio is going to be equal to profit ratio. Remember that. So now what we know? We know Harshit profit in 2016 how much? So in 2016 about Harshit, in 2017 about Harshit it is given. Okay. So in 2016 the profit is 7,700. In 2017 it is 8,800. Remember this. Now we need to know what the ratio of their profit. Then only we can compare. Harshit, with respect to Harshit, the profit is given. But if we know the profit ratio of Harshit to Arjun, then only we can solve this question, because they are asking the profit of Arjun in both here, right? So from here we will capture the data in 2016 and 17. Okay, so in 16, 32,000, 40,000, 22,000. I'm just going to capture that. 32,000, 40,000 and 22,000. Remember this. Okay, and the rate in 2017 ABH, so 48,000, 30,000, 22,000. 48,000 that we have captured earlier also, 30,000 and 22,000. Now this is what I'm just capturing to, and right, explaining you in a better way. This is right the investment, and investment ratio is going to be profit ratio. So in 2016 the investment ratio is how much? That will be actually the profit ratio, because the time is same. So 32,000, 0, okay, 3 zeros will be cancelled. This 1,000 will be cancelled. Now 32, 40 and 22. By 2 also you can cancel these all. So what you will get actually 16 ratio 20 ratio 11. Okay, this is the investment ratio or profit ratio in 2016 between Arjun, Banshi and Harshit. So in next, if we will talk about 2017, so just take, okay, 0, 0, 0 here will be also cancelled. So by 2 here also you can cancel. So you will get the ratio here also, and that is going to be by 48 by 2 means 24 ratio, 30 by 2 means 15, 22 by 2 means 11. So what is given? They have given us about Harshit. So Harshit's profit here is how much? 11x in 2016 and in 2017 also in ratio 11x. So in 2016, 11x equal to what? 7,700. Clear? 7,700. So x will be equal to what then? So you can cancel this by 11. 11 sevens are 77, so 700. If x is equal to 700, what you need to calculate here? Find the ratio of profit of Arjun in 2016. So they are talking about Arjun, right? But what profit ratio of Arjun? So in which year? 2016 to 2017. Okay, this is what they are asking about the profit of Arjun. So Arjun's profit is going to be what? So in year 2016 it is 11. Sorry, 16. 16x. 16 multiply what then? 16 multiply how much it is? 700. Right. Clear? Now in 2017 how much it is? We are not calculating the whole data. 16 multiply 7, you can easily say 11,200, but I am not calculating because we have to take the ratio here. Okay, we need to calculate the ratio here. So in 2017, is this clear whatever we have discussed? I'm just checking the chat box. Be active. So now see here. Wait, I'm just checking, is everything perfect? Okay, so everything is fine. I was just checking. Okay, one clear. Oh, now see, in 2017, the similar way, 8,811x see 11 parts. So 11x is the Harshit investment. 11x equal to 8,800 by 11. You can cancel this. 800 equal to x. So Harshit share in that year is what? 24x. So 24 multiply 800. Clear? Now 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel here. By 8 you can cancel this 2 times, and here also you can cancel 3 times. Clear? Now 7 twos are 14. Okay, and by 2 also even you can cancel here this 8 4 times. So 3 multiply 4, and here 7. So 7 by 3 multiply 4 means 7 by 12, and it is given in option 4. Now let's move on to the next question. See how much calculative it is. For that you must need to capture the data first, as we captured earlier. Then you can just use that data as per the question condition. Okay. Now if the amount, anyone, if the amount of profit shared by Arjun and Banshi in 2019 is 4,000 and 4,500. So profit of Arjun and Banshi is given in which year? 2019. Okay, and the amount is 4,000 and 4,500, and Harshit makes 5 by 4 of the profit in the 2020 as compared to his profit in 2019. And Harshit makes how much? Harshit makes, so find the amount of profit shared by Harshit in 2020. So they have given us the profit of Arjun and Banshi in 2019, but they're asking about what? 2020. But which person? About whom? About Harshit. And they have told us the Harshit makes 5 by 4 of the profit in 2020 as compared to his profit in 2019. So whatever profit in 2019 is, he will make 5 by 4 of that. So for that we need to calculate Harshit's profit in 2019 or not? Yes. So for that, what is given? Arjun's profit, Banshi's profit. And we know the profit ratio of A, Arjun, Banshi and Harshit or not? Yes. Because here the time duration is same. So investment ratio is going to be profit ratio. So just move on to the data which we solved earlier. So in 2019 it is 8,000, 9,000, 7,000. In directly question also it is given how much they have invested. If you will read out this data, the investment of Arjun, not Arjun, sorry. Here, the total investment in 2019 is rupees this, and the ratio of investment of Arjun, Banshi, and Harshit is 8 ratio 9 ratio 7. So this is the investment ratio in 2019 directly given here. Just see this we have captured in the data also. So that ratio is what? 897. So this is also the profit ratio. This is also indicating the profit ratio. So directly we know the profit of Arjun, which is 8x as per this ratio. So 8x equal to 4,000. So x will be equal to what? 500. Clear? 8 5s are 40. So 500. When x is equal to 500, remember this. When x is equal to 500, wait. Yes. When x is equal to 500, then Harshit's profit is what? 7x. 7 multiply 5 means 3,500. So Harshit was making profit of 3,500 in year 2019. By the help of Banshi also you can calculate. If they had given you any 1% profit, even you can calculate others profit also, because you know the profit ratio. If you even use Banshi's profit, so Banshi's profit is 9x. 9x equal to 4,500. 9x equal to 4,500. So by 9 you can cancel 45 5 times. So x will be equal to what? 500 in this case also. Are you getting my point? So here the answer will be what? Here the answer of your question is going to be what? Not 3,500. Harshit profit we got, that is 3,500. But they are asking in 2020. And this is the profit of Harshit in 2020 is 5 by 4 of 3,500. Okay. So you can just make it in that way. Just cancel this by 4. So 4 8s are 32. Then 3 will come. 4 7s are is this clear? Yes. Yeah. 4 8s are 32. 4 then Sevens are 28, then 2, 4 fives are 20, 875. 875 multiply 5, which is going to be 4375, right? And your answer here, it is given in option first. So you can directly say. One more thing is there, 5 by 4 means what? 25% extra you need to add there, right? 5 by 4 means 125% of that value means 25% more than that. So 25% of 3500 is 875. Just add this 875 and 3500. Directly you will get 4375. So in both way I told you. Now this is the okay. What is given here? If the profit earned by Banshi in 2021 is 8% of the investment made by Banshi in 2017. Remember this. They are talking about what? Another year 2021. So if the profit earned by Banshi in 2021 is 8% of the investment made by Banshi in 2017, and the profit of Harshit in 2021 is 10% of the investment made by Harshit in 2017. Find the ratio of profit of Harshit in 2021 to that of Banshi. Easy question. You just need to use the data of year 2017 for getting the profit of Banshi and Harshit in 2021. I need to find out their ratio. Okay, profit ratio. So this is the homework. Just take the screenshot here fast, because I am going to move on to the next question then. And I hope you enjoyed the DI today. Okay, this level of DI you will see in your exam. Just remember that. So you have to try. There will be much calculations. You have to practice on calculation also. Now see, let's move on to the next question. And here the next question is, the speed of boat in upstream is 24 km per hour while the river is flowing with the speed of 4 km per hour. If the boat takes 3 hours more to travel y kilometer in still water than to travel x minus 46 km in downstream. Find the value of x if x kilometer is equal to y minus 2 km per y minus 2 km. Okay, so what is given here? You need to find out the value of x, and x is what? X equal to y minus 2, and y is the distance. So x is also going to be distance. So speed of boat in upstream, that is what given. So upstream speed is 24 km per hour. And while river is flowing with the speed of 4 km per hour. So river flow, see, this is boat and this is the flow of river. So we can say boat speed in still water is x km per hour, and the speed of flow means river is y km per hour. So if they will go in same direction, means boat is going in with the flow. So this is going to be downstream flow, right? And your speed is downstream speed in downstream. Okay, where x plus y will tell you the speed of boat in downstream. While boat is moving just against the flow, that is going to be speed of what? Upstream, where you will find out the their relative speed, means the relative speed of boat by what? The difference of the speed of boat in still water to the speed of boat in water. Sorry, not speed of boat, and the difference of the speed of boat in still water and the speed of stream. So x minus 1. So this is what given here. Upstream speed 24 km per hour. And the speed of flow, river flow, means the speed of stream that I am indicating as y, which is 4 km per hour. So if you know upstream speed, that is equal to what? X minus y. You know the value of y. Okay, so x you can easily calculate, means the speed of boat in still water. You can easily calculate by this or not. Yes. Upstream speed is how much? That is 24 km per hour. And minus the speed of x minus speed of boat 4. So here you can directly say speed of boat in still water is 24 plus 4 means 28 km per hour. Now after getting this data, we will move on to the next detail. If boat takes 3 hours more, okay, boat is taking 3 hours more to travel y kilometer, right, in still water, then to travel x minus 6 kilometer, x minus 46 kilometer. So another distance, two distances are given, d1 that is y kilometer, okay, and d2 that is x minus 46 kilometer. Clear? Everyone, is this clear? Okay. So here when we will solve, just need to see what if the speed of boat in up is no, well here. If the boat takes 3 hours more than, so time difference is given here, means T1 minus T2 equal to how much? That is 3 hours. So T1 can be replaced by distance upon speed or not? Yes. So distance what? What is given? The boat takes 3 hours more to travel y kilometer in still water. Still water means there will be only the water speed, boat speed in still water will be considered, means x. So right, what you can see here, how much distance? Y by x. If boat takes 3 hours more to travel y kilometer in still water than to travel x minus. So y by what? Y by x, which is directly given, that is 28. We have calculated speed of stream or not, that is 28 actually. Clear? Minus T2. So distance, next distance is x minus 46 kilometer, and x kilometer is what? Here just remember, I just considered the speed of boat in still water as x. So don't get confused, and I can change this value also. If x directly given as a distance here, so I'm just making what? Okay, this speed of boat in still water, we are just making as what? B, which is the speed of boat. Okay, so you will not get confused here. Now see T2. So x minus 46. So just put y minus 2 in place of x. Okay, y minus 2 in place of x. So it will become what? Y minus 48. So next distance is y minus 48 distance. Okay, in downstream it is. So downstream is what? Speed of boat plus speed of stream, right? That is y. So b plus y. So speed of boat is how much? 28 plus speed of stream, that is 4. So 32. Equal to 3. Just take the LCM. So 28, 4 you can take common, and that can be transferred this side. So 12. Now you will get what? Y by, when you will take, you will make it what? 28 as 7 multiply 4, 32 as 8 multiply 4. So 4 can be taken common and can be transferred here. So 3 multiply 4, 12 you are getting. Now 7 and 8. LCM is going to be 56. Now 8 multiply by 8y minus 7 multiply minus y, so 7y, and 7 multiply 48. So that is going to be what? 50 multiply 7, so 350, but 2 is the difference, so 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 336. Okay, now equal to 12. So when you will solve this, so 8y minus 7y means y equals to 12 into 56. So 56 into 12 is 672 minus 336. So 336. So y is equal to 336, but they are asking what? X, which is 2 less than y, because x equal to y minus 2 kilometers. So 336 minus 2, so 334. Option A is going to be your answer of this question. Let's move on to the next. Now another question they are asking. See, the questions are based on latest pattern. They can give you the question based on what? Statement based. They will give us the data like this. Same question, right? Same data is given as the previous question, but here they are asking something else. Which of the following statements are definitely true? The same question, speed of boat in upstream is this 24 km per hour, while the river in the flowing with the speed of 4 km per hour. If the boat takes 3 hours more to travel y kilometer in the still water than to travel x minus 46 km in downstream. Clear? So the same question is given, x equal to y minus 2, but they are asking what? Statement based question. And generally you will see 2 to 3 question based on statement, okay, where they will give you some statement and you have to check whether, right, they are true or false as per the question. So which of the following statement are definitely true? Means 100% confirmed data you have to check. So A, x ratio y is going to be 7 ratio 9. No, not possible. Okay, why? Because we have calculated x is how much? 334, while y is 336. Their ratio never, right, can never be 7 ratio 9. So what we can say? No, this is not true. B, x plus y is equal to 674. So if we will take the sum of 334 plus 336, it is going to be 670, not 674. So this is also wrong. Now see, Downstream to upstream ratio, speed ratio of boat is how much? That is 4:3. That is 4:3. So downstream speed we know that we have calculated 32. And upstream speed was what? That was given here 24. Right? In previous question we have calculated downstream speed. Now downstream to upstream 24. So just cancel by 8:4:3. Yes, it is true. So only C, option fifth is going to be your answer. I hope you are enjoying the question, right? Based on the latest pattern, how you have to attempt the right approach I am telling you, right? So let's move on to the next question now. And the next question is based on when a couple was married, their average age was 28 years. When their first child was born, the average age of all three became 20 years. When their second child was born, the average of all four became 18 years. Remember this. So this is what given. So this is based on what? Age and average both. Find the average age of couple at the time when their second child was born. So their average age they are asking when their second child was born. So when couple was married, their average age was 28 years. So we can say husband and wife average age was 28 years. So their sum is going to be average multiply the quantity. So means two persons are there. So 28 multiplied 2. So their age sum is going to be 56 because both are 28. Average indicates what? Similarity in equal parts. Okay, distributing anything in equal part, right? Average is all about that. So when their first child was born, so now this is the first data. Now second is what? First child. H plus B plus C1. C1 is first child. Their average age, okay, average age of all, so including husband, wife and child, is 20. So this is the average multiply number of people, that is 360 will be their age sum. So in this time, you know that this child is 0 year old or not. Tell me fast. Child age is going to be what? That is going to be 0 years. So husband and wife's average age will be what in this time? 60 by 2. So their average age is going to be 30. So 2 years only. See, if you will see here, plus 4 years increase in total. So if we will talk about husband and wife, so after how many years they are talking about, that also you must know. So 2 years, both age will be increased. So after 2 years, okay, the first child was born. They can ask you this data also. Okay. So now third detail. When their second child was born, the average of all four became 18 years. So husband plus wife plus child 1 plus child 2, 4 data. Okay, 4 people. So 18 multiply 4, 72 is the sum. But we know that second child's age is 0 because he just born. Okay, that moment. So H plus B plus C1. So you can see in total from previous, right, when the first child was born, the total was 60 years. And now when the second child was born, the total is 12. So just see the difference here, plus 12. The difference is what? Plus 12. And this 12 is total increase in all 3% age, H, B, C, right? Total age increase. So what we can say here, the age of Harshit, uh, sorry, not Harshit, husband, B means not W, I can put better for wife. Okay, okay, not an issue. Now this B indicating wife. Okay, so this is wife. HW means wife. So husband and wife I am talking about. So husband and wife and child, total age increased by what? 12 years. But each person age will be increased by what? 12 by 3. Means 4 years for each. Plus 4 years, plus 4 years, plus 4 years. Means at time of birth of second child, first child was 4 years old. Remember this. Okay, because after his birth, after 4 years only, second child was born. Okay, now if we will talk about the average age of husband and wife, so that you can easily calculate. At the time of second child, that was 30 years. Now 30 plus 4 means 34, right? 34. Sum is going to be equal, that is 68. 68 by 2 means 34. So you can say 34. Is this given in the option? No. So option E is going to be your answer. None of these. Average age of husband and wife at the time of second child was born is what? That is 34 years. Clear? Now, or you can directly say from here also, if this is the total of their ages. So second child is 0 year old, first child is 4 year old. 72 minus 4 means 68. So this 68 is the sum of husband and wife age. So 68 by 2, 34. By this also you can solve. Okay. Now see, again the same data, but as I told you today, okay, I have brought some different type of question based on statement verification also. So on the basis of same, right, on the base, so this statement based question is right, for what? It is completely for the same data. Okay, it was given when couple was married, their average age was 28 years. So in previous question they were asking the average age during this, okay, at the time of second child but here they are asking what? They have given us some statement and we have to verify that, and the data is same here. Okay, so now second question based on this data information, which of the following statement are definitely true? First child is 4 years elder than second child. Yes, definitely true. Why? Because that we calculated already, right, in previous question, that the during the birth of second child, first child was 4 year old. So he will be 4 years elder than that or not? Second child, yes. So option A is correct. B. Sum of age of all family members after 8 years of birth of second child is 104. So during the birth, okay, at the time of the birth of first child, family age sum was what? That was 72 years. Okay. So after 8 years, there are how many members? 4 members. So plus 4 multiply each member's age after 8 years will be increased by 8 years or not? 8 multiply 4. So total increase in the age is 32. And the sum at the time of second child was born is 72. 72 plus 32, 104. Clear? See the previous question. Here I explained you, right? During the birth of what? H plus B plus C1 plus C2, the total was 72. You can directly see from here the average of all became 4. All 4 became 18. So 18 fours are 72. That was 72. Now after 8 years, so 4 members, 8 fours are 32. 72 plus 32, 104. So this statement is also correct. Option B. Now option C, ratio of husband to wife age is 8:7. So ratio of husband to wife. So can we get the ratio of husband wife? Can we get the age of husband and wife by the given data? So you will say no. There is no such data is given or difference is given of their age. We know the average only, right? If we will talk about during their marriage, when the couple was married, and after that when the first child was born, second child was born, only the average given, but their age difference of husband wife or something ratio or some, right, any other data is not given, so this cannot be calculated. So option C is not correct. Okay, not definitely true. So we can say option A and B only, third. And I hope you're getting the approach how to solve these kind of questions. So now A and B, this question, A and B alone can do a work in 20 days, 25 days. So this is based on what? Time and work, right? And respectively, A start the work and worked alone for 4 days. Then B joined A. B and A together do the work for next 6 days. Then another person C joined both. If the total work was completed in 2 days, then in how many days? Okay, this is what many days. Okay. A and C together can complete the work together. So they are asking us not the whole work is completed in how many days. They're just asking the total task will be completed by A and C together in how many days. So for that we must know the data about A and C. So for C, what is given? A and B alone. So about A and B the data is given, right? Time. So if we will talk about A, so A can complete a task in 20 days. Okay, 20. B can complete in 25 days. Now they have not talked about C, so we can take the LCM of the given time, 20 and 25. The LCM is going to be 100. So 100 cups of tea. Just imagine whenever the time and work question is given, right, as per this condition, right? For this condition I'm telling, where individual work also given. So you can just imagine the LCM is going to be what? Your total work. And that is cups of tea. How many cups of tea you have to finish here? 100 cups of tea. So efficiency you can calculate, that is going to be per day work. So 20 days, 100 cups of tea. So per day 5 cups of tea. 25 days, 100 cups of tea. So per day 4 cups of tea. Okay. Now A start the work and work alone. So now A start the work. What are they saying? A started the work and worked for how many days? 4 days. So A start the work. So A's efficiency is 5 per day. So in 4 days, 5 fours are 20 cups of tea are finished. After this, uh, B and A together do the work for next 6 days. So A and B together. So A and B together can have 5 plus 4, 9 cups of tea per day. Okay. And for how many days they have worked? 6 days. So 9, 6 are 54. So 54 cups of tea are finished. Total how many there? 100. So 20 plus 54, 74 already finished. Now they are having only 26 cup of tea left. This is the work which is left now. And A plus B plus C, because C, then another person, remember this line, then another person C joined the work. So if C is joining, so we know about A and B's efficiency, but do we know about C's efficiency? No. So A plus B plus C's efficiency, how we can calculate? See, the work was completed in 2 days. So 26 cups of tea completed in 2 days. In 2 days. So total efficiency of A, B, C going to be what? 13 cups of tea per day. If in 26 in 2 days 26 cup of tea, so per day 13 cups of tea. So you know A's efficiency is 5, B's efficiency is 4, so 5 plus 4 9. So C's efficiency is going to be what? C equal to 13 minus 9 means 4. And that is what we need actually, because we don't know about C, and if we want to calculate in how many days A and C together will complete the work, for that we must know the efficiency of A and C together and total work. So now we are having C's efficiency is equal to the efficiency of B, 4. Okay, 4 cups of tea. So when A and C together do the work, 5 plus 4, 9 cups of tea they will finish per day. So in 100 cups of tea, in 100 upon 9, so you can cancel this 11 times 11 1 by 9 days. Clear? So is this given in the option? No. So none of these will be your answer of this question. Now see, same data, but here, as I told you, we will practice today the statement based questions also. So one question we are solving, right, one data we are having, and we are solving the normal question. Then we are moving on to the same data. We are just, okay, having the same data, but the question is different. There you have to, right, verify the statement. So here the same question which we have solved in the previous one, right? Okay, same data is given. So here just you should not think about this. I'm just removing this line, last line. Okay, so what are they saying? A and B alone can do complete same data as given, but they are saying, okay, this is the data. If the total was completed in 2 days, which of the following statement are definitely, then which of the following statement are definitely true? So first is A, efficiency of A and C are same. Second, efficiency ratio of B and C is 1:1. C, B is more efficient than C. This is what given. So efficiency of A and C are same. No, we know efficiency. If we will move on to the okay, the data, efficiency of A is 5, efficiency of C is 4, which is not same. 5 cups of tea per day, 4 cups of tea per day, no. Okay, efficiency ratio of B and C is same. Yes, 4, 4. So 4:4 is going to be 1:1. So yes, it is true. C, B is more efficient than C. No, B and C are equally efficient. Efficiency of B is equal to efficiency of C because their efficiency ratio is 1:1, as we have made the correct, right? The correct statement is given in the option, sorry, statement B. That is completely true. This is not true because B's and C's efficiency is equal. 4 cups of tea per day for both, for each, right? So C is going to be wrong. So which will be the correct answer then? Only B, option second. And I hope you understood the concept easily. Just take the screenshot now. This is the, okay, question as a homework. As I told you, in every session I will give you some of the question for your practice as a homework, and we will solve, right? We will have the solution of these questions which I am giving you as a homework in the next session. Okay, in every, okay, I am talking about what, in upcoming sessions also. If you will watch previous session, okay, in that also we have done the same. So this is the homework, and we'll discuss this question in next session. And till then, what you can do, just like the session, if you understood each and everything very well. And one more thing, try to solve it. And when you got the answer, whatever it is, you have to comment in the comment box. Okay. So hope so everything was clear to you. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our new regulatory YouTube channel, and regulatory app also you have to download from Play Store. This is especially for RBI, Nabard, SEBI, means all the regulatory exams. So one more thing, Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link is given in the description box. So just download the link from the okay. Sorry. Just go through the link and join the channel. Okay. Link is given in the description box, where you are going to get what, daily mind maps. Okay. Mind maps you are going to get. Then daily PDF sessions PDF you will get there. All questions, current affair update, okay, top 10 MCQs, and many more things. Okay, all the notification regarding your preparation you are going to get there. So do, right, do join that channel. Okay, that Telegram channel you have to subscribe. So just go through the link given in the description box, as I said. So thank you so much, okay, for watching. We'll see you in next session. Till then, keep learning and keep shining with Oliveboard. Bye bye.